Hey y'all, it's Mary and welcome to Mask Monday, and I am doing a compilation of different masks that I have used over the last couple of weeks, and that is what my Mask Monday will be today. So I hope you enjoy it. This mask is the Creme Shop Cica Mend Animal Face Mask. I got this mask from Patty's place, and she gave it to me a while ago, and I just had sometimes I just shove masks into a drawer, and then I finally cleaned out the drawer, and I'm seeing that I have some that are going to be expiring soon. So I'm doing them. I'm trying to take care of myself this week, especially. I've been having just a lot of stress week. So I'm taking care of myself. Camille is coming by. So what I have on first, some of my very favorite masks. Eye masks are the Allure Beauty eye masks. These are gold. They're under here. I have them on my under eyes. That's where they go. You can put them here. You can put them on your forehead. You can put them anywhere you want, really. But there's two. They are gold in color, and they come between these two plastic sheets. And it says about them that they are baggage claim rose gold eye masks. And probably my very favorite masks. I have a lot of masks. I like eye masks a lot. There's not too many that I don't like. So I really enjoy these. And they're quite expensive. I could get them in Boxycharm sales and reasonably, sometimes Ipsy. So we're gonna hope that Ipsy's gonna continue that. And this is just so cute. I did not realize I've had this mask before. This mask has, where is it now? Has a Band-Aid on it because it is infused with the reparative power of Centella asiatica for sensitive, dry, or oily skin. So that is what I have on right now. Oops, you see, it's hard to see that with the glare. And they both are, the eye masks are, keep on. Where did I just see? I thought I saw where you keep it on. Maybe it doesn't say. It probably says on here somewhere, you know, 10, 20 minutes. There it is. 10 to 15 minutes for the eye masks. And the Creme Shop mask is, I think it's 10, oh, it's 10 to 15 only. 10 to 15. So that works out well with them paired together. It says Centella asiatica, also known as Cica, has been a staple in Chinese medicine for centuries. It became known as tiger grass when after battle, wounded tigers would treat injuries by rolling around in the cica, allowing its healing and regenerative properties to calm inflammation and irritation. So harvest the power of cica and incorporate its reparative powers into your daily skin routine. So that's what I have on now. And let me show it to you again. So you should or just take my advice on this. When you have a bunch of masks, don't let them go to waste, because if you know, I used to do masks almost every day when I first started masking, and then you get a little lax, and then I was doing Mask Monday and maybe once else a week. That's what I've been doing lately because I've been so busy. So I decided I'm going to take the extra 15 to 20 minutes for myself each evening and do a mask. And I don't have to do one every day, but I want to do at least 3 a week, if not 4 or 5. So, and maybe 7, if I'm going to do 7 this week. So there y'all have it. And thank you so much, Patty's Place, for this mask. I'm sorry it took me so long to use it. It got pushed to the back. And I have, I'm still looking through things. So I'll be doing a lot of these. Thanks, y'all. This is the 111 Skin. This is really, you should be doing this laying down, really not talking. So I am putting this on, and then I'm going to put this on just to keep it on me. I don't like these things, but they are helpful for something like this. And I'll tell you about the mask itself. I have several that they're going to go bad if I don't use them. It really needs to be, it's a gel mask and it slides. So when you open this package, these are like $35 a piece. I got this in Boxycharm. I had many of them. I have shared them out, and I have used quite a few. They're very, very luxurious. They're very, very nice. I have seen these used in Hollywood. You know, I don't mean like myself in Hollywood, no. I mean on video, and when the makeup artist or the skincare person is done on, takes this mask off of the celebrity, they then lay it on their chest because there's so much serum in it, and while they do their makeup, while they do their skincare and their makeup. So these, this holder is a very nice thing to have. You can get these many places. You can get them on Amazon. You can get them from Shop Miss A. You can get them from Temu. You can get them from Stylevana. Lots of places have them. They're usually just a couple of dollars, you know. When you take this mask out of the package, it has a front and a back to it. It has this liner. It's laying in this liner, and then you peel this off and put it on. And it does say, let's read it. It's 111 Skin Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. It's very nice. Your skin feels really good afterward. And it says to leave on for 20 minutes. And of course, you know, you start with clean skin always. And that is that. Here's what it looks like. Like I said, $35 for this mask, but of course it came in Boxycharm, so it wasn't that expensive. It was, if it was in my box, it was in my box. I got the Boxycharm Luxe, and it was in that box, and then I bought some from the shop, and they had it for, you know, pennies on the dollar at that time. So it's a really nice mask, and your skin feels fantastic after. I got this foot mask from CC's Trial Size Life a while back, and it got pushed aside and I didn't use it. I think I got it last year around October. So I have decided to use it. It is the Hello Kitty from the Creme Shop. It's a softening and smoothing foot mask, pumpkin enzymes, and jojoba oil. And they're little cute little booties, and here they are. If I can get them on camera. This one's already slipping off my foot, but anyway, they're super cute and they feel very good and relaxing. So I have on this evening the Dew of the Gods. This is the under eye volumizing collagen pads that I just adore. These are dry. These are a dry pad on the outside, and they're a collagen on the underside, and it sticks to your face like tape, and they just feel wonderful. And you just have to be careful when you take them off, because it is like tape on your face. So you have to be, just when you peel it off, be very gentle. You can start this way peeling, but I would recommend the other way, because you don't want to pull on this skin in this area. So don't rip them off, you know, just take your time and pull them off. Any kind of eye mask, especially that is a dry mask that sticks like tape. But I'm just feeling very exhausted this evening, so normally I wouldn't put the dry eye masks on under a mask. I would just do them separately. But I just really wanted to use these because they just are one of my favorites. And the mask that I have, this I bought from Boxycharm. And when they still were Boxycharm and not Ipsy, not Boxycharm by Ipsy. I haven't seen them since Ipsy has been doing their sales, but you never know. They could be in there sometime. And I just haven't seen them. I have a lot of them, so I don't need them. This is, this sheet mask is called Good Night PM Mask. It's by Meg, and it says Nourish and Moisturize. And it is very nice. Of course, most masks feel wonderful on. They're always very nourishing, unless you have a reaction. You know, it's happened to me once or twice before where I'll have a reaction to the essence, and then of course it doesn't feel good. So take it off right away, wash your face. This one says that skin feeling stressed from a long day. That's how I feel in this clip. So say goodbye to rough and dry skin. End your night with this rejuvenating PM mask to nourish and revitalize your skin overnight. I got this also from Boxycharm. I believe I got two at the same time. It was like a, you know, buy one, get one free a long time ago sale. I'm trying to clean out things because things are getting close to expiring, so I want to make sure I use everything. That's why I'm doing a lot of masks. So this says, what's inside? Eco-friendly lyocell sheet infused in avocado fruit extract, which helps with nourishing the skin while maintaining skin firmness. Camellia sinensis leaf water is high in vitamins, providing intensive moisture and elasticity to the skin. So this is made in Korea. It is distributed by D Park in New York. And it says that Goodnight PM mask uses a Swiss Oeco-Text certified eco-friendly lyocell sheet. So the sheet is very nice. It's one of those that when you have it on just perfectly, you can't even see that it's on. It fits very nicely. It's because I'm talking that it's not, that it's moving around. But I just wanted to show you that in case these come around again in a box or in a sale, you might enjoy them. I am recommending both of them. Time for a steam eye mask, y'all. These are wonderful for helping you fall asleep or if you have a headache. That is everything, y'all, and I hope that you have a wonderful week and count your blessings. And I hope that you take just a few minutes out of your day, out of your week, even if it's just one day a week. Take 15 to 20, 30 minutes just for yourself and take care of yourself. And especially with the holidays upon us, you're going to be more and more needed by everybody. So you have to take care of yourself so that you can keep going. So count your blessings, everybody. Bye-bye.